Since today is National Superhero Day, we are going to be making superhero cuffs. So what you're going to need for this craft, two toilet paper rolls, or you can use a paper towel roll and cut it, some paint, paintbrush, and then scissors to cut it when we are all finished. So let's go ahead and get started. So first step is to paint your toilet paper roll, any color that you want. Next, you're going to let it dry. If you need to put a second coat of paint on, go right ahead and do that, and then just wait. And while it's drying, think about how you want to decorate your superhero cuffs. All right, so once the paint has dried, go ahead and decorate it however you like. I'm going to keep mine green just because I really like the color, and I'm going to show you how to cut it. But as you can see, I did decorate these ones with some gold glitter glue, which does take a really long time to dry, just FYI. But let's go ahead and get these cut. So this is the really simple part. So what you're going to do is you're just going to cut straight line right down the roll. There you go. Now, to make your cuff look a little more realistic, go ahead and just kind of cut the corner off so it's curved. There. And you're all set.